today I'm going to show you 3 of my top favorite hairstyles for when I want to get my bangs out of my face and they are bugging me. They're either greasy and gross, or I need to get them cut, or I just want a cute hairstyle without bangs. Don't get me wrong, I love my bangs so much, but sometimes I just want them out of my eyeballs. So if you guys are interested in watching, let's get on into the video. So first I'm just going to section off about 1/3 of my hair on the top and just start braiding like normal, and then I'm going to add in the French braiding style. This just really helps hide your bangs and make the short pieces of your bangs coincide with the long pieces so they don't poke out like crazy. And then I'm going to braid about halfway down and secure it to the top of my head just for a second while I tease the bottom section of my hair. I just want it to have something to hold on to. You'll see right here, I'm going to pin my braid underneath my hair with a bobby pin, and teasing just really helps it stay secured. So you see these little pieces poking out of my braid. I'm going to pull out my braid. It's called pancaking it, and this really helps hide the short little pieces. And then I'm going to hairspray my finger and just guide the short pieces where I want them to go. I'm going to kind of fluff my hair up, and that is the first hairstyle. This next hairstyle is perfect if you want to rock a more edgy look. I'm just taking a section in between my eyebrows and braiding that straight back. I'm going to braid that back all the way to the back of my head. How many times did I just say back? And then I'm going to secure that with a bobby pin. And then I'm going to take another small section and braid that one just the same. And secure that one with a bobby pin as well. And then the last section, I'm going to braid back to the same point. And secure that one as well. And then I'm going to pancake these braids just a little bit. You might have to push them down because they will want to poke up. And I kind of fluff up my hair. And if you'd like, you can tease it as well. I like really having like big, fun hair, so I always do this. I feel like it adds more of a rocker vibe too. I forgot to have my light on for this video, which I kind of like it without the light. I'm bummed that I turned it back on, but I did. It looks very orangey, but I do like my hairstyle. For the last style, this is the one I probably rock the most when I have greasy, gross bangs and I just want to get them out of my face. First, I hairspray my bangs back just so they stay in place all day, and then I tease the front section of my hair and push it back and kind of just comb the front portion so it looks nice and pretty. And then I took a bigger chunk underneath just because I wanted more volume in my bun. And I'm just brushing that back as well after teasing it. And then I'm going to grab any rubber band and just twist up my hair into a messy bun and pull it out. Like, that's literally all you have to do, guys. The top knot is the most secure, best way for me to get my bangs out of my face, and it just looks super cute and fun. And I also just tease up the sides again because you can never have too much volume. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. There's also a little bell down there somewhere that you can just tap and it will notify you when I post new videos. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!